Folks, I believe these three defense stocks under $5 are screaming buy right now. The United States and Iran are in active conflict. The Strait of Hormuz is under threat. And Washington just proposed $924 billion in defense spending for 2026. Three stocks, all under $5, all directly in the path of that spending. One of them is the AI brain powering US military decision-making right now, with a former Secretary of Homeland Security as CEO. One of them builds AI-powered drones and just launched a maritime Interceptor drone system that fights drone with drone, saving the US military billions. And one of them keeps soldiers connected on the battlefield with 5G technology and has products on GSA Schedule contracts approved for government use right now. I am not going to tell you which is which yet. The one I am saving for last stopped me cold when I read what just happened to their technology. Now I am going to present my case, and you go do your own due diligence and be your own judge. Make sure you subscribe right now and hit that bell icon. Every single day I bring you the freshest stock analysis here on Stock Alerts Daily. Do not miss a single one. Stock number 1. This company has been quietly building something the entire US military depends on right now. Not weapons, not drones, not tanks. The AI that tells military commanders where to move troops. The AI that identifies threats at border crossings in 30 seconds. The AI that tracks hundreds of thousands of soldiers and billions of dollars of equipment in real time across the globe. This is not a chatbot. This is not a consumer app. This is mission-critical AI decision intelligence built specifically for the US military and national security agencies. The company has 3 core modules. Module 1. Observe. Pulling in massive streams of sensor data, satellite feeds, biometric scans, and surveillance data, and turning chaos into signal. Module 2. Orient. Pattern recognition and threat identification, doing in seconds what used to take human analysts days. Module 3. Dominate. Turning raw intelligence into actionable recommendations going directly to decision makers. A commander gets a recommendation, a customs officer gets a risk score. Whoever has better information faster wins. Now the Anchor contract, the US Army Global Force Information Management System. This is the AI backbone tracking whether the US military has the right soldiers, the right equipment, and the right resources for every single mission running on the planet right now. Without it, the process is a spreadsheet nightmare. With it, it is a live, intelligent, automated system that flags gaps before they become disasters. The special angle. In January 2025, this company brought in Kevin McAleenan as CEO. This man was the acting Secretary of Homeland Security under Trump's first administration. He oversaw 240,000 employees, including CBP, TSA, the Secret Service, the Coast Guard, and CISA. And now he is running this under $5 AI stock. With the Iran conflict driving defense spending to record levels, you have a CEO with a direct line to the people writing the biggest defense contracts in American history. The numbers: $462 million in cash, debt reduced by 90%, $376 million contract backlog, revenue guidance for 2026 of $135 to $165 million, 2 analysts, by consensus, average price target $5.50. Nearly 30% upside, obviously small cap, volatile, real risks, but a company at the intersection of AI and national security, with a former Secretary of Homeland Security as CEO and $462 million in cash, is not something you walk past. The company is BigBear.ai Holdings, ticker symbol BBAI. Check NASDAQ.com for the current price before making any decisions. But stock number 2 is doing something that most investors have never even heard of, and what they just launched this week could save the US military billions of dollars. Stock number 2. Most people think about drones as things that fly, but the single most urgent drone problem the US military faces right now is not flying drones, it is stopping enemy drones. The US military calls it QOS, Counter Unmanned Aerial Systems, and it is one of the most critically underfunded and urgently needed capabilities in modern defense. This company just launched a solution that nobody else is building. A maritime interceptor drone that launches from the sea, detects enemy drones and fights drone with drone to take them down. No expensive missiles, no sophisticated radar installations. A drone that hunts drones from the ocean. This company is ZENA, ticker symbol ZENA, trading at $2.24 today. ZENA builds AI-powered drones and autonomous systems through their ZENA drone subsidiary. Their platform targets defense applications including surveillance, reconnaissance, and now active drone interception. The core business has three divisions. Division 1, ZENA Drone Defense Systems, building military-grade autonomous drones with AI navigation for US defense and government procurement. Their drones are Blue UAS aligned, which is the critical government certification required for US military procurement. Division 2 Drone as a Service, already operating 23 global locations providing commercial drone services to home builders, government agencies and infrastructure companies. Real revenue, real customers, operating right now. Division 3 Quantum Navigation. ZENA Tech just initiated development of a quantum navigation system for GPS-denied environments. When enemies jam GPS signals, most drones become useless. ZENA Tech's drones keep flying. The anchor catalyst. This week, ZENA Tech launched development of the ZENA Drone 2000 Maritime Interceptor, a gas-powered maritime drone platform designed to launch from sea, detect and intercept slow-moving aerial threats, fighting drone with drone to save US and allied defense billions. The special angle. The company has been actively engaging US Congress and pursuing Blue UAS certification, which is the gateway to large-scale US military procurement contracts. They already have congressional engagement underway. The numbers: stock trading at $2.24. 52-week range, $1.82 to $7.11. Volume surging today above average. Obviously very small cap. Highly speculative. Real risks. Early stage. But a company building drone interceptor technology in the middle of the most active drone warfare environment in history is a story worth watching extremely closely. Check nasdaq.com for the current price before making any decisions. But stock number 3 is completely different from everything you just heard. This company keeps soldiers connected, and they just got government approval that changes everything. Stock number 3. When soldiers are in the field, they need to communicate. When drones are operating, they need to transmit data. When military vehicles are moving across a battlefield, commanders need connectivity. This company makes the 5G and 4G mobile broadband solutions that power those connections in the most demanding environments on Earth. They make the MiFi brand, which you may have heard of. But what most investors miss is that their products are not just for consumers. Their devices meet stringent government supply chain security requirements. They are available on GSA Schedule contracts, meaning the US government can buy them right now without going through a lengthy procurement process. And 4 of their 5G products carry Verizon Frontline verified designation, validating their use in mission-critical communications for law enforcement, fire, and EMS. The core business. Division 1 Government Connectivity. 5G and 4G mobile broadband solutions for government agencies, military units, and first responders. NDAA compliant. GSA Schedule approved. Buying can happen today. Division 2 Enterprise Routers. Rugged industrial routers and cloud management platforms for transportation companies and enterprise customers in demanding environments. Division 3 Cloud Management. Remote device management platform allowing government and enterprise customers to manage their entire connected device fleet from a single dashboard. The anchor contract. GSA Schedule approval means procurement officers at every US government agency, including the Department of Defense, can purchase their products without competitive bidding. That is not a small thing. That is a direct path to revenue from the entire US government procurement system. The special angle. Management has been actively targeting the defense and government sector with products specifically designed for mission-critical environments. With the Iran conflict driving urgent demand for battlefield connectivity solutions, this company's product suite becomes more strategically important every single day. Active military operations continue. The numbers. Analyst consensus. Buy rating. Products approved on GSA Schedule today. Verizon Frontline verified for mission-critical use. NDAA compliant for government procurement. And the stock is under $5. Obviously small cap. Volatile. Real risks. The company has been executing a turnaround and revenue needs to continue growing. But a company with government-approved 5G connectivity products on GSA Schedule in the middle of an active military conflict is a setup worth understanding deeply. The company is INSG Corporation. Ticker symbol INSG. Check nasdaq.com for the current price before making any decisions. Let me bring this all together. 3 defense stocks, all under $5, all directly in the path of $924 billion in defense spending. BBAI, former Secretary of Homeland Security as CEO, $462 million in cash. AI powering US military decision-making right now. 30% analyst upside. ZENA, maritime drone interceptor just launched. Blue UAS certification underway. AI drones for GPS-denied environments. Congressional engagement active, $2.24. NSG, 5G battlefield connectivity, GSA Schedule approved. Verizon Frontline verified, government can buy today, under $5. Obviously all three are small cap stocks, volatile, risky, not guaranteed outcomes. You must do your own research and understand the risks before making any decisions. But I think if you are not paying attention to these three defense stocks under $5 right now, you're going to be regretting that in a couple of years, if not sooner. That is your three defense stocks under $5, BBAI, ZENA, and INSG. If this video gave you value today, hit that thumbs up right now. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss our daily stock alerts here on Stock Alerts Daily. Drop a comment below which of these three has your attention right now. I read every single comment. See you tomorrow with another fresh analysis. Do not miss it. And as always, nothing in this video is financial advice. These stocks are shared for informational and educational purposes only. Always do your own research. Always check nasdaq.com for the current price before making any decisions. Investing involves risk, including possible loss of principal.